Hi everyone, I'm Myrah. Thank you for tuning in. I'm going to provide for you a tutorial on how to tie your turban or your turbine. And so it's just very simple. Grab any piece of fabric that you use for your turban tying. I like to use for my hair tying a little spin bobby pin, if you can see this. It's kind of perfect. It doesn't pull the hair, it won't break the hair, and it keeps it intact. I just use one. When you buy the package, it comes in like 2 or 3. So I just use one. Also, I end up losing them anyways. They like dematerialize quickly. So the turban that I'm using is the linen one that I have available on my website right now. And it's just easy, basic fabric, linen fabric. And so here we go. You can comb out your hair if you'd like. So for this one, I'm not gonna do the high bun, you know, Egyptian goddess Nefertiti one. I'm gonna do more of a low back, low bun one, just because it's been my favorite lately. And so you're just gonna grab your hair and you're gonna pull it back. Not all the way, like kind of like in the middle between the crown and the base, and then just put it in a comfortable bun. Grab your hair tie or your twisty pin. And voila, there's your bun. And then you're gonna take the fabric and you're gonna just gauge it to see if it's pretty much even. And then what you're gonna do is just flip it back behind you and then bring the fabric all the way to your eyebrow point. And the reason why I say the eyebrow point is because if you start off with your turban further back and you don't like it and it's falling out, it'll be difficult for you to pull it back. So when you start with it kind of already pulled forward, you can adjust it and push it back. I hope that makes sense. So here I am, putting it to my eyebrow point, and I'll start with my ears tucked and then I'll take them out if I so choose to. And then you're just gonna gather the fabric behind you so that it's bunched up, and I'll show you. Just gather it behind you equally into both hands, and then you're going to spin it, cross it in the back twice, and then you're gonna bring both of them forward. There we go, keep those guys nice and tucked. Bring both of them forward, make sure it's tight, so you just kind of crisscross it in the back. Ideally once. If you want to do it twice, just so that it's secure, you can do it twice. And then you're going to bring them forward. I'm going to tuck this into my mouth, grab it, hold it with my teeth so that I can wrap the first side. And you can see what I'm explaining now. So here I go. And I forgot to mention, you're going to take the other one and you're going to fan it out. Fan out the fabric, okay? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And once you wrapped your head with it, you're going to tuck in the end fabric into itself, okay? You just keep tucking it towards the end, and then you take the other part, you do the fanning out once more, and then you frame the rest of the skull, and then you start to tuck it in. you have a nice, and then you're ready to go. No, I'm kidding. Then you just push it back. And the ears kind of peek out, and then you keep kind of tucking it into itself more and more as you go back. And then tuck, 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 tuck. And then I like to peek my ears out just because I like it. And then way back. So this has kind of been my latest favorite turban. And there you have it. Just a low bun turban, featuring it back, and then you can show the hairline if you choose to. And then my best way to kind of know if it's secure is doing a couple cat-cow exercises. Head forward and back, see if it's secure, and then you're solid. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.